Mabuhay! Once again, mabuhay! Good morning! Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Once again, welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Live and alive, my location now is here in Granville Subdivision, Catalunan, Pequeño. For many years, this was closed, perhaps due to COVID-19 pandemic time, but this time, it is already open arms and open legs for everyone. It is open for homeowners as well as non-homeowners. Yeah, you have heard it right. Correct. You can avail the services, the swimming pool, and other like, sir, naanay ano noon sa ito? Cafeteria, kitchen? Yeah, mayroon na. So they are catering with these services. Let me picture muna ha. Ito, so mauna ni ang ilahang unsay tawag ani? Menu. Food house order. They have butter chicken for 4:30 to 15, one half. And they have also sisig, that's the price. Fish fillet, chicken buffalo, rice add-on. Okay. Look at this, sisig with rice and egg, value meals, pika-pika. Okay, so on, short order, pancit guisado, oh, this is my favorite. Beyond guisado, only 165. And drinks, beverages. Okay, just glimpse on this. I think I like this menu. So, if you'd like to have your orders and caterings, just call this number 0918-334-0269. Cash or GCash mode of payment. And another number here. Okay, cannot glimpse this one. I will just have this close up again. Let me have my eyeglasses on so we can read this number. 0917-329-2397. Oh, that's for payment. Inquiries 0918-334-0269. Payment again 0917-329-2397 or 0966-693-5375. Okay, this is my picture of the amenities here in Granville Subdivision. Live na live on this day. So, mangutana, sir, pwede pangutana? Oh, katulang siya. So, na-caretaker, maduto sa caretaker, no? He accommodated me well. This is, I think, unsa ni diri, sir, function room? Function? Kini siya function room. Pwede ni siya dito mag-meeting, birthday, kasal. So, bunyag. So, baptism. So, let me interview, sir. You are the caretaker of Granville Subdivision. Ano sa'yo tawag, ani? Clubhouse. Okay. So, your name, sir? Name? Dudong. Ano sa'yo pilit? Ha? Dudong maintenance? Hindi, apelido ba? Ano sa'yo apelido Dudong? Saan yung apelido? Si Dudong, ay. Basta sa maintenance. Okay. So, mauni siya. So, open ni siya sa homeowners o dili homeowners. So, Dudong is preparing. Naabay reservation ron? Wala. Na-reservation ron? Wala. Wala pa na. So, thank you for answering my question. Oh. Matuta dire. Oh, ganahan ko ani. Wow! So, Sir Nonoy Novisteros, you are still in Lang. Nonoy, we will have our fellowship here when you will have your return trip to your beautiful house there. Oh, amazing house of Nonoy over there. Yeah, I love that. The first housing unit when you enter the Granville Subdivision, Catalunan, Pequeño. That is the owner, my friend, my parente, Nonoy Rene Navesteros, just over there. Okay, but Nonoy is in Lang now. for transaction, whatever, perhaps business. So, nadto man ko gapon samlang pero wala na ko na antuan iyang opya. So Sir Nonoy ang opya ha sa Friday adtuan ko dra sa imo ang house. So amazing house. So let's picture some more. They have the swimming pool. The water is cold and so inviting. Wow, blue water. It's a blue water in as much as the color of the swimming pool is blue water. So clear. Wow.